Will you check the boat pack? Say boat pack. Louder. Boat pack. Say boat pack with me. We're bound to go to ghost. The fast yes, the talking. Oat. Boat. My soap boat is sailing away, cries Joe. The soap boat is lost in the sea. What is this? Says Fish. Can a fish scare the bridge? No. Can a fish scare the bridge? Yes. A whale is under the water. The soap boat floats on top. A bird grabs the soap boat. Can a bird grab to the dunes? No. Can a bird grab it to the dunes? Yes. The bird drops the soap boat. It's my soap boat, says Joe. Now you tell Jady she needs a puppy. What do we need?